Welcome everybody to a product review, and tonight's interview will be our instant read thermometer. What this is a digital thermometer. You can see it through the back side. Let's start with the package. It comes in a plastic clamshell type packaging. It's got a hole at the top to where it can be hung on a pegboard or called a J-hook. Full set or a brief description of it right there. This is a waterproof design. It's got a backlit function. I'll show you that in a moment. It's got an auto shutoff where it'll help save the battery. The battery is included in this. There is a magnet in here where you can hang it on the metal, and it's a temperature range of a -58 to 527 degrees. So let's open this up and show you what's inside the package. There is a full set of instructions right here that's in there. Then there is a piece of foam that helps protect the thermometer, and then the thermometer itself. You can take and peel this off, and that'll take off this safety plastic across the top. As you can see, it comes with a bottle opener on one end. We're going to roll it around. You can see the probe. We'll open it up here in a minute. It's got our cool logo right there. And then let's look at each one of these buttons and what they do. The top one will take it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and that's also the light button. And then there's a hold and it'll recalculate itself by just pushing that button. And then there's a minimum and a maximum. What that does is if you hit that button, it'll show you the latest minimum and maximum of what it has read. So you open it up, and you can see it coming on. You can see it right there. I'm going to hit this top button so you can see the light. See how it lights up? And the feature of that is if you're in a darker part of your smoker and you can't read it real good, then you can hit that light button and it'll light up to where you can read it easier. And it's also for early morning or nighttime cooking. Now watch this. This is a multi-directional temperature. As you can see, it will flip upside down. Okay, so that it can still be read. So if you're having to come in it at an odd angle or something like that, or if you're like this, it can still be read that direction. Like I said, there's the light. And in this calculate button, it'll recalibrate, not calculate, I apologize, calibrate itself by just hitting the button and holding it very direct. There you go. It's going to calibrate right now. There, it is now completely recalibrated and ready to be used. And then on top of that, it has a hidden battery on the back to where you can put it right there on your grill, and it'll stick right there to the side of your grill, and you can have it handy all the time. It does have an auto shut off, or just by closing that, we'll shut it off. Now, let's explain what the temperature probe is. The temperature probe only reads on this end, not this whole thing. So when you're inserting it into your meat, you do not need to push it all the way in. All you need to do is just get this part to the center of the meat to get a great temperature reading. Okay? This is a stainless steel probe. It can be wiped and cleaned. This is a watertight opening right there. It is not designated to where you can put this whole thing in a tub of water and wash it. You only really need to be wiping it off from the outside and cleaning that probe. There goes. It automatically shut off right there. Features of it. It is an instant read. It'll read within 3 to 5 seconds of the temperature. So when you're probing it in, you'll know your temperature within 3 to 5 seconds. Okay. You can locate this on our website under our grilling tools and supplies, and at a lot of our retail stores do carry our temperature probe or thermometer. So go and ask the store managers where it can be located, and they will find it for you.